how to redeem trip credit on American Airlines. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for AA.com and then log in to your AAdvantage account. After you have logged in, you want to go ahead and simply click on Wallet. That's where your trip credit lives. If you're not seeing it, check your email, search for something like trip credit from American Airlines, and then you'll find the credit number and expiration date. You usually have 12 months to use it if you are on AAdvantage member, sometimes just 6 if you are not. Now you want to go ahead and simply search for the flight you want. It has to be on AA.com and not a third-party website. At checkout, you'll see an option that says plus trip credit. You want to hit that, enter your credit card number, and just like that, it will apply the amount to your booking. If the flight cost more, you just pay the differences. Here's what you want to note. You can use up to 8 credits on one booking. You can book flights for other people and not just yourself. And you cannot use it for basic economy, baggage fees, or seats. It must be for your flight starting in the US. Also, you cannot redeem it at the airport, online only, or call them. And if your flight costs less than the credit, don't worry, American Airlines will issue a new trip credit with the leftover amount. Just don't let it expire. The clock is ticking from when it was originally issued. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.